Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set time Toyota Yaris, full guide. Start by turning the ignition to ACC and locate the clock or setup button on the dash. Press and hold the clock button until the hour digits blink, then use the hour and minute buttons to set correct time. Confirm by pressing the clock button again and verify the display shows your local time before driving. Begin with the ignition in ACC and identify H and M controls or touchscreen clock settings. Press H once per hour increment and M for minutes, holding either to scroll faster when needed. If your Yaris has a touchscreen, open Settings, then clock to enter time mode and use the on-screen arrows. Always confirm AM or PM if your vehicle displays 12-hour time if your clock resets after a battery disconnect. Be aware some radios need a code to restore settings, so keep your owner documents handy. Avoid changing clock settings while driving, pull over, or set time before leaving. For models with infotainment systems, sometimes a software update alters clock behavior, so check for updates and consult the manual for model-specific steps to ensure your time stays accurate on long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.